Hi, I'm Anastasia from kindearth.net, and I've just made an immune boosting. It's not just an immune boosting, it's a super immune boosting turmeric and ginger smoothie. I've loaded up with turmeric, really potent and powerful antioxidant, and ginger. I'm putting a lot in, I'm not messing about, really boosting up my immune system, and adding in some other nice delicious things. It's actually really tasty as well, surprisingly, but I'm doing it for medicinal purposes. So I just wanted to show you what I did. So come, let's go have a look in my kitchen. Some ginger in, and I'm going to put a really nice big bit of ginger in. You can peel the skin off if you want to, or peel any gnarly bits off, if there's any dirty bits. Otherwise just throw it in as it is, because we're going to blend the whole thing up, and the more the better. If you're fighting off some kind of virus or bug, or you're going down with something, ginger is super potent. It's full of antioxidants and all kind of stuff. So the next thing I'm going to use is organic turmeric, and this is exceedingly potent against any invasions. I'm actually going to put 2 teaspoons of the stuff in. This is really strong. It's quite bitter as well, but we're talking medicinal here. And I'm also going to put a bit of black pepper in here. Black pepper is supposed to increase the bioavailability of the nutrients in turmeric by like 2000% or something like that. There are studies out there that show this, so I've just put that in anyway. I'm just going to put a nice big twist of black pepper in. And then we want some nice filtered water. The amount of water that you need depends on how thin or thick you want it. If you want to eat it with a spoon, put less in. If you want to drink it like a juice, just put more water in. Just feel that out. And then if you've got hemp seeds, put some hemp seeds in there. And you can also put some cashews in, so a couple of tablespoons, depending on if you want a higher hit of calories. They are optional, but it'll give you a thicker, creamier hit. And also the hemp seeds, really good for you. Cashews, just a bit of a luxury item, to be honest. And then I want to blend this up before I put any frozen fruit in. And the reason I want to blend it now is because I've got ginger in there and the nuts and seeds that need to be broken down really well. So I'm going to blend that for about 30 seconds. I've got some frozen mango and also frozen pineapple. You can pretty much add any fruit to it that you want. If you want it to be a golden turmeric smoothie, then just stick with the light coloured fruits. So pop them in. And of course they don't actually have to be frozen. You can use fresh fruits, that's awesome. I think that frozen fruits work really well in a smoothie because it thickens it up nicely. And then you want to blend that until it's creamy smooth. And it is thick and it is creamy. It's actually surprisingly delicious and easy to drink. Just add more ginger, add more turmeric, load up on these things if you want to boost your immune system. It's good as a preventative. It is excellent if you're trying to fend something off. You can sometimes literally stop something, stop a virus or whatever taking hold if you just totally load up with antioxidants. Buy organic if you can, just use whatever you have available. And bear in mind, if you don't have the same fruits, just use whatever. In fact, if you can't make a smoothie, just finely grate ginger into your salad, finely grate it into everything and just mix it in. Just boost your immune system and let me know how you get on. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Please do come and subscribe to my YouTube channel and come visit my website, kindearth.net, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.